However, some reports emerging do suggest that the Indian players are deciding over the fact that they would not play with Pakistan. This after the top sponsor, Ease My Trip, had pulled out of that match. And we've seen this after pressure builds in that such developments, such reports start trickling in. Just after, of course, we have, of course, Republic TV been carrying this campaign forward in full swing for the past few days. And now, just on the penultimate day, in fact, just on the day when we expect that in a few hours from now, that it was a match between India and Pakistan to be played on the 30th of July, that's today, we understand that they are still mulling over it, and it's unlikely that they will be playing. We do not know yet officially. There's no official announcement that the players have refused. But yes, they did that when the group stage match was happening. If you remember, we at Republic TV had played out that story, and overnight developments had come in that many of the players had pulled out, had withdrawn their names. And yes, it seems that something similar could happen this time around. However, the meeting is, there is a meeting apparently that is going on.
But also, Rakshita, sources have informed that the match is also dropped. And as far as the meeting is concerned, who are the stakeholders in the meeting, Rakshita?
There's no information. I don't have any clear-cut information as to who all are part of it. But yes, those from the Indian side. And remember, the WCL has many Indian faces, and many of these people are, including Nishant Pitti, have been involved as stakeholders. Even cricket, even Bollywood stars like Ajay Devgan are part of the WCL as the league, one of the stakeholders, major stakeholder in the WCL. So yes, questions have been raised on them. Social media is rife with boycott calls, and in fact we also got so many callers who were saying that there should be no cricket with Pakistan. As of now, we are awaiting some information, official information, if they are not going ahead with this semi-final match. And yes, as you said, that the match will be cancelled. Match has to be cancelled because it needs the Indian players in full strength.
That's right, Rakshita. And WCL, will Asia Cup also follow suit? Because BCCI hasn't really said a single word about Asia Cup and the grouping with Pakistan, the matches with Pakistan. Why should we play Asia Cup, Rakshita, when Pakistan continues to sponsor terror?
Well, of course, there's a lot of talks. BCCI has to, of course, take a call on that and communicate that to the Asian Cricket Council. This, of course, is again in the works. There has been no answer from the BCCI as well. Just a few days back, we had confronted Rajiv Shukla, who refused to say anything. Of course, there are a lot of stakes that are at play. There is a lot of finances involved, the broadcasters that are involved, and all have to be taken into account. But we at Republic TV continue to maintain that nothing is bigger. No sponsor, no broadcaster is bigger than the lives of Indians, the security of Indians. And we, as Parliament continues to debate Operation Sindoor. And the Prime Minister, remember, last evening had reiterated and made it very clear that operation is still on. And since the operation is still on, there's no point, there's no with no phase that we can in fact engage with Pakistan in any domain.
That's right, Rakshita, and Parliament has taken a very clear stand. People of the nation have taken a very clear stand. What's taking BCCI so long to cancel this particular match? What are they worried about?
As I said, I mean, there's a lot of rules and regulations, and there is mainly the finances that are involved in here. But that is the question. It begets the question, are those finances more important? Is the money, to be very frank, more important than the lives of those innocents who were killed in that dastardly attack in Pahalgam? And it's not the first attack that has been sponsored by Pakistan. There has been a whole history to it, and we do know about it. There have been ties that have been, we've seen the ties being affected between India and Pakistan. There has been no bilateral engagement with Pakistan, but we've seen that India and Pakistan have faced each other, in the World Cup, in the Champions Trophy recently, and in the World Cup also. But this time, India says enough is enough, that we do not want to engage with the Pakistani cricketers on any platform, multilateral, bilateral, trilateral, nothing doing. WCL, of course, the BCCI has nothing to do with it, but yes, when it comes to the Asia Cup or the World Cup, the BCCI can always take a call on that. Many a times we get a response that, okay, the government has to also talk about it. it. The government might also take a call. But these are very grey areas. We have seen many of those. We have seen many veterans also talking about that there should be a sort of there should be an SOP. There should be a process.
I request you to kindly hold your thoughts, Rakshita.